Well, here I am just getting this raised bed ready to plant garlic in. Just throwing the grass and weeds in the compost heap behind me. I just ordered some from Mackenzie Seed online this year just so I could have it delivered. In addition to the garlic I ordered, I am also planting my own that I harvested this summer. And I've been growing that garlic here for 3 years now, and it's just a music variety. I started with some pretty small cloves, and it's doing a lot better, and I'll be planting the bigger ones. One thing I'm told that chicken manure is great for garlic, so in the spring I will be adding some of my chicken manure to the garlic to give it a boost. I didn't treat this raised bed with anything right now, and I will be covering it up with leaves as soon as they fall from the trees. And here I'm just labeling each thing that I planted, since I have 4 different types of garlic for this year. And we are in Grow Zone 4 here in Northern Ontario, Canada. First year I grew garlic, I planted it in the ground, and it's pretty wet here, and I planted 50 and 49 of them rotted and only 1 grew. So I'm doing much better from that first year to now. And this is my, I guess, 4th time planting garlic. It's the majority of the garlic planted for this year. And we'll see. That's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 91, 93 planted. I might just go with that for this year and see. A lot of the cloves I planted the previous year were very tiny and they didn't do so well. Garlic planting 2022.